first buy call comes from Sunway Construction Berhad or Suncon. Or if you look at the chart over here, price has been in a correction phase. However, it managed to find strong support from this uptrend line over here that was formed since its January 2025 low. We could see price not only breached above this downtrend line yesterday, but it also managed to close back above all of its moving average lines, which suggests that this rebound could actually resume in the near term. And if you look at the rebound, it came with an increased volume, while the RSI also has breached above its 50 level, which means that bullish momentum has now remained elevated and could actually push price higher to test our next technical target at 6.60. So early support can be found around its 50-day SMA. If we breach below this, this might lead for the correction to resume. However, we believe with the current setup, as price is back above all of its moving average lines, this rebound or this broader uptrend could actually resume. Next, we have a technical buy call on Pekat Group Berhad. So if you look at the chart over here, price recently has been in a profit-taking stage within its broader uptrend. However, yesterday, price has just broken above its downtrend line to actually close at a new all-time high. And despite price closing at a new all-time high, we believe there's still further upside, given the RSI still remains below the overbought levels. However, we should expect a new consolidation just like its previous breakout, just like back in September 2025, where a breakout has led to a new base building. So we could expect the same, where price could actually make a new base before it go higher and test our technical target of 2 ringgit. So the 21-day SMA, we could see price always remains above this 21-day SMA. Haven't said it started its uptrend from its April 25 low. However, we believe the 50-day SMA now act as an important support line, where the line has not been breached since the uptrend has started back in April. So if price actually breaks below this 21-day SMA and continue to close below its 50-day SMA, that could actually lead to a bearish reversal move. So watch out for this 50-day SMA. So as long price remains above this, we believe the uptrend could actually resume. And lastly, we have a technical buy call on YNH Property Berhad. So if you look at the overall trend, YNH Probe remains in a primary downtrend, given that the 21-day EMA, the blue line over here, remains below other moving average lines. However, we are seeing early signs of bullish reversal mode, as the 21-day EMA over here is now flattening and on the verge of crossing above a 50-day SMA, which means that bullish momentum recently has improved. And if you look at the current base building over here, right around this rounding base pattern over here, we could see that momentum is tilting more towards the bullish side, given that the MACD readings are now nearing its positive reading, while we also see an increased trading volume over the past 4 sessions. So which means that bullish momentum or buying interest remain elevated, and we believe if the bullish crossover could happen, where 21-day EMA is above 50-day SMA, we believe it could actually go higher and test our next technical target of 0.330, where a break above this line could lead to a further bullish reversal move.